Hey guys, a very special episode of Bookman Productions today. Today, I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing video. And today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a figure from the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, the Blue Psycho Ranger from Power Rangers in Space. This was actually these were actually the very first Ranger-like villains that didn't turn into allies, like Tommy did. And this is just the front of the box. As you can see, the axe and the Ranger himself and Hans and Sparks and that is just a really cool that. And here's the back of the box. Show him in full glory. And then you show his face on either side. It's really cool. Let's go away and let's start unboxing him then, shall we? It's always a bit of a pain getting tape off. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then just pull them up. Oh, something's already fallen out. It's some sort of sparky thing. I'm guessing that goes on the axe. So let's take a look at the Psycho Ranger. So it looks pretty cool. Let's get the axe out, like his Ranger weapon. There you go. There's the axe. It looks really cool. I haven't seen much of the Psycho Rangers, but they do look cool. And in case you want to change his hands to fists, you've got that as well. Push them out. Ooh, sorry about that, that was just a plastic thing. And here's the Psycho Ranger himself. He really does look cool, doesn't he? He's got the lightning on his hands, and it's actually reminding me of Force Lightning from Star Wars. You know, the whole, Now you can actually swap his hands for something else, and it actually makes a great addition to my other Lightning Collection figures, which are the Mighty Morphin White Ranger and the SPD Shadow Ranger, which you probably saw in my first video. And let's see how he looks with the axe. If I can just, get it in. I really don't want to break this. Ah, there we go. He looks cool with the axe, doesn't he? There's the So all in all, I think he's a pretty good figure for a Lightning Collection figures. I'm hoping to find more Lightning Collection figures around. I'm hoping to find there's the Magna Defender I'm hoping to find, and Goldar and Lord Zed. I'm hoping for them. And there's also the Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger and others are on the way, like the Blue Zeo Ranger, the Red SPD Ranger, the Mighty Morphin Yellow Ranger, and Blaze from Power Rangers Beast Morphers. I'm gonna love getting them. Anyways, so all in all, it looks like a good toy. It looks like a good figure, and it's actually really fun. It looks really fun, and I can't wait to have a go at it. So thanks for joining me for this unboxing video, and I will see you next time.